Got a part that's way too shiny, you just paint it up. You're putting on your patina truck. Take some green Scotch Brite. Start scuffing it up. Knocks all that shine off. Gives it some age. Makes it look like you didn't just paint it yesterday. This is definitely not a exact match paint either. This truck is 70 years old. Who knows how long ago it was painted. So we're just trying to get it somewhat to match. You know, it's a 2020, 20 miles an hour, 20 feet away. Might look all right. You know, and I don't always go in a straight line. Give it some extra scratches here and there. Help blend in any low spots. And there you go. Shiny bright orange. Dull, closer to original Scotch Brite orange.